Are you looking for a way to make free PayPal money? Well, if you are, then this is just the video that you're looking for. This is a method that you can use pretty much anywhere on the planet. You can make hundreds of dollars this way if you do it the right way. This is a tried and tested method. It's worked for a lot of other people. If you've gone through YouTube, you've probably noticed that there are a lot of videos with similar content to the content that I'm sharing with you today, but a lot of those methods aren't super effective, and I've gone through YouTube and looked for the most effective method that will help you earn money quickly. I've done all of the research so that you don't need to do it yourself. This is a great way to start earning money because you don't need to have any special skills or even work experience to be able to do this. This is a really simple method to follow, so you're not going to want to miss out on this amazing opportunity. Before we get into the video, hi, welcome to Money Express, a channel where I share tips and tricks on how you can make money. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Smash the like button down below if you want to see more videos like this one. Now, before we do anything, you're going to want to be sure that you have a way to get paid, right? So if you don't already have a PayPal, you're going to want to go to paypal.com and sign up for a free account. Don't worry, because this platform is available in a lot of countries, and your country is bound to have access to PayPal. Signing up won't cost you a thing, and it's a good idea to make an account because with most of the platforms I share on my channel, they usually pay through PayPal, so this account will come in really handy. So as I mentioned earlier, this is a tried and tested method, and there are some tools that are going to help you be able to do this. The first thing that you're going to want to do is scooch a booch over to Fiverr.com. So you're going to type in Fiverr.com. So once you've done that, you should see a page that looks like this one. If you have no idea what Fiverr.com is, it's basically a marketplace for people to sell their services. So there are all kinds of services on here, from graphic design to music production to writing. Pretty much anything that you can think of is here on Fiverr. So what you're going to want to do is come up here to the search bar and type in colorize images. So once you've done that, it should load a page that looks like this one, where you're going to see all types of listings all about colorizing images. Now, if you don't know what colorizing an image is, it's basically taking a black and white photo and putting color back into it and kind of fixing it up to make it look a lot nicer. So if you want, you can go ahead and click on one of these, and it's going to show you an example of what colorizing an image looks like. So basically, it's restoring old photos of our parents and older pictures, and once you restore them, they look something like this. So you've pretty much probably seen photos like this from the past, and what you will be doing if you colorize an image is adding life back into it. In today's video, I'm going to be going over tools that can help you be able to do this, to be able to sell services kind of like this on Fiverr and be able to make this much money. With the tool that I'm going to introduce to you today, there are also a lot of different things that you can do with images, like remove the background or change the background, change the color, all sorts of things. So this tool is going to be a really useful one to be able to help you score some extra cash. This tool that I'm going to introduce to you is super easy to use. It's very user-friendly, and even if you're a beginner at doing stuff like this, it's really easy to navigate. So I promise you don't need any technical skills to be able to do this. Even if you don't have experience editing photos or doing that kind of thing, this is going to be something that you're going to be able to do. As I said earlier, this is something that you can do from pretty much anywhere in the world because Fiverr is accessible pretty much anywhere on the planet. So even if you're traveling or happen to be out of the country, this is still something that you can do. Alrighty, so you're probably wondering what this magic tool is that's going to be able to help you edit images that you can sell right here on Fiverr. So what you're going to want to do is open up a browser and go to this website right here. And once you do that, it should bring you to a page that looks like this one. Now, as you can see, once you're on this page, it's a really amazing site, and it's very, very simple to use. And you can turn images from black and white into colorized versions just like this one. So all you're going to need to do is upload an image to the site, and then you're going to be able to edit it, have it colorized, and now it's going to look amazing and ready for you to sell. Now, you're probably annoyed with me by now because you've probably seen that they do charge a membership fee to be able to use this site, But there is a way for you to be able to use this completely free if you sign up for a free account by clicking this right here. The only downside to doing this is that every time that you download an image that's been colorized or edited, it will have a watermark on it, but it's not something that's like a huge deal because you can kind of cut that out if you know how to use Photoshop or if you have any idea how to kind of crop that out. So if you want, you can go ahead and sign up for a free account and start colorizing images to be able to sell on Fiverr. Now, I do have another tool that you can use that's going to be free, so all you're going to do is open up a browser and go to this website right here. Now, unlike the last site, this site has a lot of different options of things you can do on here, like remove the background, colorize an image, you can restore old pictures, you can personalize ads, enlarge pictures. There are lots of things that you can do on this site, and as I said, it is free. So all you gotta do is click on any of these that you want to do. For example, if you wanted to make an image larger, like graphics, for example, you can pretty much make it bigger by just doing this, clicking over here, and you can upload an image and then edit it. And it's really simple. And this, as I said, is very easy to navigate. So I'm pretty sure you'll be able to figure it out. So similar to the last website, this website also does have some services that they charge you to be able to use, but there are services that they offer for free, so you can take advantage of those, sell these images on Fiverr, and once you start making a profit, you can kind of take that money and spend it on other services to be able to grow your income.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Now, for example, if you take a look here, you can upload an image and remove the background. It's really simple, really quick and easy, so I highly suggest you try this method out. You can also be able to sell services similar to the ones that you sell on Fiverr on different freelancing sites like Upwork, for example. And signing up for Upwork is also free, so I would say do it so that you can increase your number of income streams and as well increase your income. This is a really easy money-making method, and I highly suggest after this video you go ahead and go to Fiverr.com and Upwork.com and sign up for free accounts so that you can start selling images today and making hundreds of dollars really quickly. Also, go ahead and go to PayPal, sign up for an account because that account is going to come in really handy with all of these money-making methods I have for you. Anywho, that is the money-making hack that I have for you today, and I hope that you learned something new from this video.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.